Good morning, everyone. We are here to present our project called Heat Harvest, which is based on converting this waste heat energy into a worthy power. In our everyday life, we see that through the different sources such as engines, stoves, and industries, various amount and a vast amount of heat energy is getting released into atmosphere without being used. So our project aims for converting that waste heat energy into a worthy power.
Exactly. When we looked around, a lot of heat energy is being wasted, and we human beings don't have the proper technology to reuse it. And if we have the proper technology, then we could convert that waste heat into useful electricity. And that's how our project Heat Harvest was born, a smart thermoelectric way to reuse waste heat.
Now, our project's working principle is based on the Seebeck's effect. We're converting this waste heat energy into worthy power by using a thermoelectric module. This thermoelectric module meant for by creating a temperature difference across a thermoelectric module generates a voltage between that and which is useful for generation of electricity that is used to charge various devices such as our mobiles, batteries, fans and lights and etc. It mainly have two sides where one is the hotter side and other is the cold side. Hotter side absorbs this heat energy from the sources and the cold side releases this heat energy into the heat tank.
And here is where it gets interesting. We added an IoT based system that helps monitor the temperature, voltage and the energy output through a mobile app or a dashboard, which help increase the efficiency and the monitoring system.
In such a way, our project Heat Harvest is useful in many ways, where it converts this waste heat energy into a worthy power in a proper manner, where it can be used in various ways in industries, household works, in workshops, and etc.
Through Heat Harvest, turning waste energy into useful electricity, we aim to create world a better place to live by reusing the waste heat into and converting it into usable electricity and providing it to many other homes. This helps improve the sustainability principle of our world.